Now let's see the interest rate applicable for a certain bank loan. So here I have taken an example. The loan amount is 100,000. The payment period is 24 months. Installment per month it is 5,287. Here I want to calculate what is the interest rate charged by the bank in order for me to get this particular installment. For you to find out that, there is a simple formula that you can use. It is equals rate, open the brackets, then select the number of periods. Here it is 24, that is the number of months. Then insert a comma, then you have to select the monthly installment. Since I am doing this particular calculation in months, everything should be in months. So here I am selecting the monthly installment, insert a comma, then you have to select the loan amount. So the loan amount is 100,000, close the brackets. So if the loan amount is 100,000, if I am going to settle it within 24 months, if the installment is 5,287, what is the interest rate applicable for this particular loan? So I am getting an answer of 2%. What you have to understand, this rate is the 2% per month, because this particular question we have the installment monthly and period also in months. So in this particular question, the interest rate applicable for this particular loan, it is 2% per month. Now let's see how to calculate the loan installment using Excel. The formula that you have to use, equals